Shit, this is a spectacle. Just look at this. I haven't seen this here yet. I haven't seen anything like this yet. Unbelievable. I mean, I've seen the sardine run and that many times, but this is quite a spectacle. Bloody believable. Yeah, I'm videoing it. Right here on our stoep. It's amazing how ever since this lockdown happened, the birds have been going crazy. We had the dolphins yesterday morning, or the day before, coming right past us here and playing like anything here in the cove. Well, just past the cove here. Look at those birds. And if you look in the far distance on the left there, they are still coming this way. They're still coming. There are thousands of them still heading this way. So we'll see what happens. But the anchovies move around as well. So the birds just keep following them. But just look at that. Bloody believable. And they're all the way up along the edge. So it looks like they've chased the anchovies all the way to the shore. And these buggers aren't like the seagulls who just dive into the water. They actually swim in the water and catch them. They're incredibly quick swimmers.